Quadro hip circle. Start all fours, hands under shoulder, knees under hip, spine neutral. Shift weight slightly to one side. Left your right knee on the floor, keeping it bent at 90 degrees. Move your knee forward, out to the side, back and around like you're drawing a circle with your knee. Keep your torso still. Quadrop T-spine rotation. All fours, hands under shoulder, knees under hip, spine neutral. Reach one arm under the opposite armpit and rotate your upper back down. Rotate the same arm up toward the ceiling, open the chest and follow your hand. Keep hips stable, move from the upper back, not lower back. Breathe smoothly and avoid rushing. Pidgeon stretch. From a plank, bring one knee forward and place it behind your wrist. Slide the bug leg straight behind you. Keep hips square and lower your chest toward the floor. Spider-Man stretch T-roll. Start in a plank. Step one foot outside your hand, drop back knee, rotate your chest toward the front leg and left the same side, arm up. Return to plank and switch sides. Squat series. Feet shoulder width apart. Sit back into a squat. Hold the bottom. Push the knees out with elbow. Chest up. Left one arm at a time overhead for rotation. Reverse split and lateral squat. Stand tall, step one leg back, lower your hip straight down front over ankle, push through front heel to rise. Standing hip circle. Stand tall and hold support if needed. Left one knee, draw slow circle outward and inward. Keep core tight and hips stable.